Hello, my loves. It's Dina from No Fear, Just Flow.
And Julia with Jay's Massage.
So today we are talking about shofars. And I didn't know what a shofar was until somebody gifted one to me this Christmas. And I'm so grateful because I love it. And then that same beautiful person gifted one to Julia. So these are ram's horns. And these ones come straight from Israel.
Mm-hmm.
And they were used in biblical times for celebration, but also to bring down the walls of Jericho. And so right now, I listened to this prophet, and she said that right now we should all be blowing on our shofars.
So we're going to blow on our shofars.
Right.
I'm not very good at it, though,
I'm
so
not
just bear
sure
with me.
How many people have shofars? But if you don't have one, they're kind of fun. So anyway, I looked up how to blow it, and you're supposed to do like a and then blow. Now I'm going to tell you that it's a lot harder than it looks.
It's extremely hard. Right. I have to get the blowing down before I even try to do something else.
Yes, but so we're going to try it. We're going to attempt it, and we want you to know that it sounds much more beautiful here than it will on camera.
I don't know if I believe that. It might sound better on camera.
I don't think anybody's
I gotta even try to get it
pay to go see a shofar concert.
Probably not. This isn't beautiful like it.
But we are going to attempt to take down the walls of Jericho today with our shofar skills. Are we ready?
I don't know.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I could not.
I feel like you gotta bring it down a little.
It's so hard. How did you do that so well?
Because it's a.
What?
Oh my!
That changed things. Whoa! That changes things.
You got it. I love it. Julia's got it. All right.
Wow.
I
did not know that's how you did that.
Really?
I feel like I was trying to like blow air into it and let my tongue, my lips vibrate, but I feel like I don't have to do that.
Yeah, it's just. Yeah, I've had mine a little longer, so I've practiced a little more. I do try to blow my shofar every day. I leave it by my Jesus journal. I read that, and then I give a little poop poop, because we are in weird times right now. We are.
It still smells bad.
I feel like things are shifting and changing in a beautiful way, but darkness is coming to light, and so we need more light right now. Mm-hmm. So I think everybody should pull out their shofars.
I'll put a link in the comments to where you can buy one.
Or dust your shofar off. I'm sure it's with your recorder. Everyone had a recorder.
A recorder's easier than a shofar, and it sounds prettier.
It does sound prettier.
Even though everyone's probably thinking recorders don't sound nice.
Probably not, right? But everybody had to do that. So I love my shofar. I do. And when the demons come, I'm going to blow them away. Just like this. Should we go out like this? So like, subscribe, follow us, ask us questions, give us a video of you blowing your shofar.
Everyone posts videos blowing shofars.
Right. And
tag us when you do.
Tuning in.